Oh yeah. Not enough motion. Meanwhile, he has 3 other cars. No, it's not it. He's got it. That's awesome. 6, 7.
Open up the hood and what math?
That's but hood's not open, therefore math not math.
I failed math, so
Me too, type shit. Me too, actually. Yeah. Twice, actually. Actually, twice.
Yo, type shit.
Type shit. First one was great.
It's a Corolla. What's it gonna do? Hurt me? If it hits me like the crumble zone, just like go around. 15 car already. Like Ankes. I don't know how to do it. Do you think I speak Japanese?
I'm the one standing behind you.
You're not even, you're just flashing with the camera. You need to flash the engine.
I am. Here, what do you expect me to do?
I don't know. I don't know.
Just exist?
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Did you get the picture? All right.
Yeah.
Here. All right. Who doesn't have a? Who doesn't? Yeah.
The two silent.
Are you fucking?
The Brazilian font.
Oh my god, this shot look crazy. Like that background.
Oh, that's fire. With the pink sea.
Yup.
What are we doing?
This part touched the ground. This part didn't.
You want to eat it? Go ahead, motherfucker.
Why would you eat it?
I come in my mouth.
Yo.
It felt like it fell on the ground.
Rosa no pedão, rosa no pedão, rosa no pedão, o sonho de pobre se é sentar pros cria da boca. É coisa gostosa, tá na gota sem roupa. O sonho de pobre se é sentar pros cria da boca. É coisa gostosa e sarra na gota sem roupa. Então rosa no pedão, rosa no pedão, rosa no pedão, rosa no pedão.
looks like a G30.
What?
No, it's a BMW E90. Woo! On the grass. German, we have Mopar in the house.
Oh God.
Damn.
Ooh, rumble, rumble, tumble, tumble. And look, he's got his driving tires in the back. So he came to do some work, yo. What's your name? Where you from?
DeAndre, New Jersey.
DeAndre from New Jersey.
New Jersey.
DeAndre, is these your special burnout tires, DeAndre?
Yeah.
Are you a takeover boy, Andre?
Sure not.
Or you gonna take over tonight, right?
Sir.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to give it up for Andre. Andre, when I tell you go, you go. Andre, are you ready? Send it! You gotta drive it home, buddy. Make sure you're good.
It's not going on, right?
All right. Woo! Give us that cloud, baby. There you go. What's your name, buddy? Where you from?
Joe from Tom's River.
Joe from Tom's River. Does your grandfather know you got his car?
Oh fuck.
Oh, it's a family show, it's a family show. But, Joe from Tom's River, I'm gonna step to the side. Woo! All you see is headlights and taillights. Is this what you came to see? Wow!
Oh,
Wow! Wow! Let the smoke clear! Let the smoke clear! Because I think, ladies and gentlemen, give it up!
tire.
I know! Woo! A tire! Give it up, ladies and gentlemen!